MintSuite AI, brand new. Ultimate 6-in-1 AI suite. Get unlimited storage, autoresponder, video hosting, e-learning site, funnel builder, and website builder for an unbeatable low one-time price. With one single dashboard, replaces 6 expensive business apps and saves $11,497.91 per YearPre, banking us $953.34 daily. All without tech skills, buying complicated tools, or paying huge monthly fees to expensive bully platforms. Brand new Tech MintSuite replaces dozens of expensive paid platforms. Say goodbye to paying monthly to ClickFunnels, Aweber, Vimeo, Teachable, Dropbox, and Wix. Built-in autoresponder. Send unlimited emails using Owl. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with built-in SMTP in just seconds. Built-in storage. Unlimited storage to store, backup, and deliver all your files, documents, audios, images, media files, and videos at lightning-fast speed. Built-in video hosting. Video hosting platform to host and share all your videos with ease. Built-in funnel builder. Create high-converting sales funnels for any offer in any niche using Owl. Built-in website builder. Create stunning websites for any niche in just seconds using Owl. Built-in e-learning platform. Create AI-driven e-learning sites in seconds to grab more attention, traffic, and sales. All the apps you'll ever need for online business and digital marketing under one single dashboard. Autoresponder to easily build your email list with responsive subscribers and send unlimited emails to your subscribers. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. 250 plus proven sales funnel templates included. Unlimited funnels, unlimited storage, unlimited websites, unlimited subscribers, unlimited e-learning sites, and unlimited video hosting. Replace expensive monthly bully platforms with one-time payment and save $11,497.91 each year. Start your own digital marketing agency business without any tech skills or experience. Built-in free dedicated SSL encryption integration for secure data transmission. 100% cloud-based. Nothing to download or install. Built-in app monetization. Create high-converting funnels and websites that convert visitors into happy buyers. Lifetime access with no recurring monthly payments. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many funnels, websites, e-learning sites, etc. as you want. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard, ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. MintSuite is the new big breakthrough. Thousands of smart marketers and business owners are secretly using MintSuite to replace dozens of overpriced platforms, and also creating and selling high in-demand funnels and websites in multiple niches and making recurring profits. Cancel all your expensive subscriptions with bully platforms and enjoy MintSuite in just 3 steps. MintSuite gives you unrestricted access to unlimited funnels, unlimited storage, unlimited websites, unlimited subscribers, unlimited e-learning sites, unlimited video hosting, all in one single dashboard in less than 60 seconds. Step 1. Login. Log in to MintSuite cloud-based app, nothing to install. Step 2. Select from 6NL apps, instant access to all the 6 apps with no restrictions. Step 3. Enjoy and profit from all the 6 apps. Click here to get instant access, and that's all that is required to profit from MintSuite. At MintSuite at a low one-time price, $197 monthly, pay just $16 once and use forever. 6 different apps in one single dashboard. All the apps that are draining your pocket are now available to you. Autoresponder, cloud storage, e-learning site, video hosting, funnel builder, website builder. All for low one-time payment and use forever. A sneak peek to the limitless possibilities. With this Owl-powered 6-in-1 ultimate AI suite, cloud storage, backup and store unlimited files and videos with no recurring fees, unlimited cloud storage, unlimited folder management, unlimited file uploading, unlimited file restores, download shared files, subfolder management, access from any device, add privacy on specific folders, add watermark on image preview, advanced file search, check every file stats, download folder as zip file, share files through email, share files to internal users also, upload multiple files at a time, duplicate files, embed files. So dear friend, if you want to buy these or want to know more, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.